What's going on, everybody? Emeka from the Blueprint Publishing Academy, and today we're continuing the 5-part series on keyword research. So I'm just going to dive in, and you should be able to see my screen right now. And I went inside our Facebook group and just asked people to give me a couple niches, and I'm just going to dive in and find a couple profitable keywords. So you can kind of see how I do this live, so to speak. So let's just get started. So the first one is going to be minimalist living. So let's kind of check in. So I'm bringing up Katie Spy here. Hopefully it shows up on the screen. All right. So right away, looking at the screen here, we got the first book, 34,000, then 32,000, 29,000, 20,000, 65. Okay, so minimalist living at first glance shows to be a profitable keyword. Now, out of the first 6 books, 3 of them have reviews over 200. So what I would do with that is I just kind of look, see what we got here. So Genevieve, it doesn't look too bad. Actually, this doesn't look too bad. Take a look. Who's this person? All right. So she's like a real person. Got a blog post from a week ago. So she's active, driving traffic to this book. All right. So what I didn't want to see, I didn't want to see this showing up here. So that's good, because that's a big authority figure. So, hey, you know what? Now, it's a small niche. There's only 1,000 results here. I might do a bit more confirmation on looking into KDP Rocket to check out the actual demand for this. But first glance, this is definitely a profitable keyword. Let's see if, let's just take that out. See what we can get from here. So once again, hopefully the screen's recording the KDP Spy or KD Spy that I'm using here. So this is a free software. It's not free. Who am I kidding? It's, how much is this thing? Like $50. And what it does, it saves you time. Instead of me having to open up all of the books individually, it just brings up all the information for me. So once again, minimalist, profitable keyword at first glance, but the reviews are too high. I wouldn't really want to mess with that, because you're going to come in here, and your book's just not going to have any reviews, right? When you launch your new book. So, you know what? We could just get it to the top of the page via ads, and with a good enough cover, it could work. These are just 3 authority figures. So they're not giving up that real estate anytime soon. So I'd rather go for, what did we do? Living? Minimalist living before? Let's try home. See if that comes up with anything. But so all in all, at first glance, this is definitely something you can look into, do a bit more research. Like I said, I'm not using KDP Rocket in these videos here, but cross referencing with that, this could work. Yeah. Like, one thing I'll tell you right now, your $5 cover ain't going to sell here. Because look at these covers. Look how they're designed. you're going to have to come up with something that's going to fit this type of, like, how these are. And you also want to understand who's the market. Who are you targeting here? Right? Drop me in the comments. Who do you think's buying these books? What demographic? Right? Male or female? What age? Because I can tell right from here exactly who they're trying to target. Their age, their sex. Okay, let's see some other ones. All right, so we got hacking. It's funny, I asked for niches. Everyone's giving me keywords to check. So I guess that's just how it is. All right. So hacking. So 4,000 searches, that's fine. Okay, let's bring up. All right, so profitable keyword. So this is an easy go. Hacking, 100%. I got books on hacking. You can make money with this keyword, 100%. I'll just tell you that right now. There's demand. It's getting crowded, but there's still good demand in it. You just got to think differently. Wow. Those books suck. Right here, like that is like, oh my God. That's horrible. What is this person thinking? Hopefully you're not one of my students. That's just, no. Those covers are horrible. That just does not look good. Zach Weber, fix that. But yeah, no. Definitely profitable keyword there. Mortgage. I think I've checked this one before and it's not the best. Because remember, the main thing you're doing with nonfiction is you're solving problems. All right, so let's. Hacking. If you want more videos like this, if you drop the niche, like drop the niches, don't drop the keywords, because then I'm just confirming whether or not. But if you want, like, just like, hey, I want to go into this niche, what are some keywords to go into? Drop them in the comments and I'll grab them and do some videos like this. All right, so here's an interesting one. So 95, 28,000, 800,000, 95,000, 31,000, and then it's like 900,000, 900,000, 200,000, 600,000, 700,000. So I wouldn't do this, because I bet if we bring up the info from KDP Rocket, it's going to show not a ton of monthly searches. That's what I'm guessing. And these top three, yeah, I wouldn't touch this. I wouldn't do this keyword. Nope, not for me. Okay, so arts and crafts. Okay, so that's... Okay, so this is more of a niche. So let's try to see if we can find keyword to use. There we go. Perfect. Look at this. How to sell on SD. Maybe if I spell it right. Only 200. So it might be a small niche, but there might be money here. I don't know. Could be. I found success with under 100 search results before. It takes a solid strategy, because you have to drive traffic to it. because there's not a ton of traffic going to it already because it's very small, of course. All right, so let's just do it manually. All right, so let's take a look. Scroll down, so 151. Just look at the best-selling rank here. 104. 48,000. 480. I don't know. This doesn't look that nice. I wouldn't mess with this. No. Once again, I'd confirm to see, because here's the thing with keyword research. The BSRs might be high, but when you go on a KDP Rocket, you find there's a ton of searches, but nobody's buying the books. Well, I could just say there's a disconnect between the demand and what is being offered for the customer. So that's why you have to use both tools. But anyways, drop me some niches and I'll do some more keyword research videos like this. But hey, we were able to find a couple profitable keywords in, I don't know how long this video is, but let me know what part of keyword research you want more help with. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe for some great videos. Till next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. Speak to y'all soon.